What is going on, my YouTube friends? Okay, guys, you know, I did the video. I got the floor in for the sound deadener and everything like that. And a couple of people, they weighed in and said, hey, maybe you should do this or that. So Waze Coating said, hey, grab that carpet, lay it inside the house where it's warm, and let it just, stretch out. So Waze Coating, yeah, buddy, I did it. So I got the carpet in here right now. I'll turn this around and show you. And we're going to go back out in the garage here and get to cleaning around the car so I can put this carpet in, man. I mean, I got a lot of things to do. I mean, don't seem like much, but hey, I'm off for what, 2 or 3 weeks? Might as well be in the garage. Let me turn this around. So I brought it in here, got it laid out, stretched out. So we'll go ahead and let that relax a little bit. And we'll go out in the garage and clean up around the car and stuff so we can get this done. Ooh, look at the couch. Yeah, we don't use this room except for on Christmas, so good place to do it. Hopefully the cats stay off of it because the dogs aren't allowed in here. So okay, let's go out in the garage and bring you back to the party. And anyhow, another friend of ours, G Funk Express, he said that I should put the sound deadener up over the sound deadener on this right here. But I'm gonna tell you something. He's right. The tunnel does get warm, but I think it gets more warmer up front here than it does in the back. So yeah, I probably should, but I'm not going to. I think we're good where we're at because the old sound deadener, everything, it's still good and everything like that. And he is right. It would reflect the heat a lot more. But hey, if it works out, cool. If it don't, then when I take the car back apart, then I'll do it. But I'm trying to save enough sound deadener for the Fairmont, which I think I got enough to do the Fairmont. So that's good. So like I said, this is all still good. So, hey, don't think I'm not taking in consideration, but thanks for letting me know because you've done this. I haven't done it yet. This is the first time I've ever used sound deadener. But like I said, it looked good here. So thumbs up to you for giving me your opinion on that. But anyhow, so I got some of the stuff cleared out of the back of the car. The carpet was the biggest thing. So, and this is the back carpeting and stuff like that. So I'm going to get all this cleaned up and I'll bring you back. All right, so I'm going to get the vacuum all this crud out. I got to take that cell panel out back on that side over there. This side's already out. And like I said, the sound deadener and everything back there is good, so I'm not going to fool with it. It's all factory. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, this is what we're getting so far. Yeah, buddy. So I gotta unhook this cable right here, and then when I put the carpet and stuff in there, I'm gonna cut a slit in it, slide everything over, and then cut around everything. I don't want to cut anything too big, so I'm gonna just try to do it while it's in the car. I am gonna cut the slit though for the shifter and for the emergency brake though. I couldn't use the old carpet to cut the holes in the new carpet because the old carpet was just that trashed. So we're replaying it by ear. So I'm glad to make these videos so that way I can look back on it. But I got the 2 holes in the tunnel here I got to cut for the seat belts. And then I got the hose on the side right here for the seat belt. So, I mean, there's a few holes I got to cut, and then the seats. I got to cut for the seats. So let me get all this vacuumed out here and I'll bring you back. I'm not saying I'll get the carpet in today, but we'll see. So anyhow, I got the cell panel out over there. And everything's pretty much clean except for that box back there, but I don't need to get back there right this second. So I got the floor and everything all vacuumed out. So pretty much ready to get the carpet in. I got to take and reattach all my wiring to the underneath the doors there on both sides and get everything hooked back up before I put the carpet in there. Don't want to forget to do that. Yeah, because we don't want to have to pull the carpet back out. But with my luck, I'll probably have to pull the carpet back out. So anyhow, let me get these wires put away and I'll bring you back. Alrighty, so I got the wires. I got the wires for the seats right there. So everything over here, all that's good. And then we got the wires hooked up over here. going down along the floor into the back right there. And then everything going back up there under the dash into the kick panel there. So there's a couple wires that I think that goes to the seat belt. So all this stuff I gotta remember. Like I said, it's a good thing we video this stuff, you know. So that way we can look back upon it, get everything on there. So far, besides tucking those wires up underneath the dash there, right here, getting those up out of the way, we're pretty much ready to put that carpet in. So, cut it. Ooh, that's a scary thought. So let's get this stuff together. So anyhow, I'm gonna clean up the garage some more today because I don't think I'm gonna put that carpet in. I'm gonna let it go ahead and relax in there good. And then I'll turn the heat up in the garage, so when I go put it in here, I can sweat to death. I mean, it'll stay relaxed. So I can put the carpet on. So anyhow, guys, I'll be back here in just a moment. And yeah, right. So I got the floor cleaned up. I got all the wires put where they're supposed to be at on the floor. You know what I'm saying? So everything's plugged and ready to go. I just got to remember to cut the little holes for the wires under the seats, huh? Yeah, buddy. That's why you make these videos, so that way you can look back on them. And hopefully one day you'll help somebody else down the road, right? Yeah, buddy. So anyhow, nose itches. I'm off of work. They say until the 6th, but that could change. So hopefully they get this virus taken care of, so that way we can all go back to work and live our happy little lives and make some money, so we can keep, you know, buying stuff for our toys and paying our bills, of course, you know. But anyhow, yeah, and this stimulus stuff, pack stuff, this and that. Look, man, take that money and get a cure for this. Get a cure for a lot of things. You know what I'm saying? Because we'll make this, we'll make this economy roll once we can get back to work, right? If I can go work, I can spend money and help the economy. Oh, heck yeah. And so can millions and millions of other people. You know what I'm saying? And these guys are fighting like kindergartners over who they want to give money to and this and that. Look, I understand there's people out there that needs the money. You know what I mean? Don't get me wrong. But shoot, man. Let's fix this thing. So, hey, you guys are my favorites. Take care, and we'll be back tomorrow when we put this carpet in. Oh, yeah, buddy. Have a great day. I appreciate each and every one of you.